Hello Sunshine Seekers, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. We are back in the vibrant and eclectic town of Benidorm, right here in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Today I have a modern, contemporary apartment to show you that is overlooking Poniente Beach. It is 120 square meters. The apartment offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and is beautiful. So, whilst I'm looking at the sea and here on the sand, let's start the tour. Hello. So as I come in through the front door, you are met with a bright and naturally well illuminated, spacious living space. This beautiful apartment is 130 square meters, and as you will find, it comprises, as you enter the living spaces, of your open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. It has an interior design feel of light white and very subtle shades of grey throughout, with the same porcelain stone flooring also, and a ceiling height of 2.7 meters. So as you can see, your living space here is rather spacious. You have a very large sofa, and then it gives you a seamless integration into your dining space, which has a table here to seat 4. And then it also leads on really nicely to your kitchen. Right here you have what would work as your central island, and on it you have an illumination here with the lighting, your sink, storage cabinets and also your dishwasher. Then you have a continuation of your storage cabinets top and bottom, plenty of counter space, your electric hob, your extractor, and then over the way you also have your microwave and your oven. In the corner here, your refrigerator. I do like the way that they have gone with the modern and minimal design here with the soft close storage cabinets. It's really nice. And then you also have a door that leads out here, gives you your laundry room with your boiler and your washing machine. All of the windows and doors in this home are rather large, so you get fantastic, excellent views of the living spaces, but also the surrounding landscape and the unforgettable views of where we are. After all, we are overlooking the long and beautiful and disturbed expanse of all the beaches that form this beautiful area of Benidorm. We've got right in front of us Poniente Beach, Levante Beach. You can see both ports. You can even see that beautiful island in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. And here on a beautiful clear day where you're approximately experiencing 24 degrees in the middle of the Fiestas Patronales season in Benidorm in November, you can see that you're getting splendid weather to enjoy this long expansive terrace. Now this terrace actually occupies the space that actually is accessible not only from your living area but also from the primary suite, and it is 20 square meters. Taking you from the living room area, I'm going to take you to the hall and explore the bedroom quarters. So as we go along the hall, the first door that we come to on the right would be the first bedroom. This bedroom is 11 square meters. It is with a modern interior feel. You have a very large window on one side letting in exquisite views of the surrounding landscape, as well as on one side your integrated wardrobes. Conveniently next to it, you also have a fully equipped bathroom that is light and bright. And then coming back along the same hall, it leads to the second bedroom. This second bedroom is in the perfect position as a guest bedroom or even as an office. You again have a large window on one side and integrated wardrobes on the other. And then next to that, you then entering the primary suite. This bedroom is 20 square meters. You have a full wall of integrated wardrobes, so plenty of storage. You also have patio doors that open and allow you access to the terrace, just looking at that impeccable view there of the Mediterranean Sea, which would be amazing. And then you have this doorway that leads to your ensuite bathroom. It is a his and hers ensuite bathroom and is rather spacious. Here at Benidorm Beach, you have a wealth of amenities close to hand. Not only do you have this vast entry area, but you have a wealth of facilities on site. It gives you sloped, gradual inclines to gardens, relaxation areas, different swimming pools. So you have a communal swimming pool, as well as a children's playground. You also have there a cafeteria bar, sun lounges, sunbeds, a lifeguard on hand, and as well, lots of different areas to do recreational sports. I do love the fact as well that it is located right in front of Poniente Beach, which is within walking distance, and you also have local amenities, supermarkets, shops, bars, restaurants, and everything else that you could need very close to hand. Can enjoy the heated indoor swimming pool. This is just one of many of the facilities that you'll find on site here at Benidorm Beach. It also gives you fantastic views again of Poniente Beach, the surrounding coves, the Mediterranean Sea, and it's very tranquil in here. Just above the area of the swimming pools as well, you have access to a gymnasium. You also have dressing rooms, showers, and other spa facilities. Right here you have the sauna. On the -2 level, you have residential parking for all of the residents. It is well organised and well illuminated and air conditioned down here. So it's a great space. Included in the price of the apartment, there is the parking space and also a storage room. The recreational grounds of the complex do continue, and so on this side you find you have an outdoor fully equipped basketball court with illumination if you're wanting to even play in the evenings, and next to that you have tennis courts, paddle courts, French bowls, a picnic area and even a children's playground, along with lots of walkways and areas that are natural lawned with grass and plants and trees to enjoy the summer breeze. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €800 per year, the community fee is €2,000 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a splendid modern apartment that is spacious, offering 3 bedrooms and is located in a fantastic area. It offers modern day comfort as it comes with all the specifications like hot and cold air conditioning. You have your also electric shutters in the primary suite. You also have LED lighting and parking is included. Also, it is an urbanisation that offers lots of things to do with your free time. Not to mention, you are in a fantastic location, very, very close to Benidorm Centre and its vibrant amenities, as well as La Cala Finistrada on your doorstep as well, and overlooking these beautiful beaches. So don't forget, if you are thinking about a property like this that you would like to buy, then you can also apply for a mortgage with 50% of your capital, as well as remember that you can also get a residency permit for buying property like this. Any information as well that you'd like to look at, please do go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!